Well, a good Saturday afternoon to you. It's Dan. I want to welcome everyone to my home in the sticks. Hope everybody's having a good Saturday and a good weekend. But over here in East Central Mississippi, the rain has finally pushed off a couple of hours ago. Now it's nice and sunny. Before we get started on today's video, I always like to mention that if you are new to the channel, I want to welcome you. And if you return and just see what old Dan's got going on over here, I sure enough thank you for coming back. What I want to share with you and y'all today is I want to do my first ever hydroponic grow tent update. So give me a second and I'm finna show you. Well, look at there. I got a dang grow tent full of stuff. I am here to tell you. Got my hibiscus in here. It's a little dark in this grow tent because I moved the grow light over. A couple of my avocado trees. Look there, all my comfrey. And I'm here to tell you, I have never seen hibiscus bloom in the wintertime, except in a grow tent. I'll throw a picture up for that. I finally plugged my lettuce starts into the Kratky system, and they are growing quite nicely underneath the Spider Farmer SF1000. It's working really good. I'm pretty happy about that. Now, what I did was I used Maxiblend. Basically, it was 1 teaspoon of Maxiblend per gallon of water. But I'm really happy with the way these guys are looking thus far. And there's my pineapple plant. So it looks like it's going to be about time for me to water these guys, and I may also put up 2 more lights in this grow tent to shine down on this area here. I got my fan in there, and of course the cords are running through the vent holes in the tent. I believe the last video I said I was going to make mention on how I wired this grow tent up, but there's a light. It's working. All I do is I have it run out the side of the tent into a strip, and I actually have the tent on a timer, so this light will come on for 14 hours, off for 10, back on for 14, and it looks like it's working really good, and I'm really liking this Vivo Sun grow tent. So that's what it's looking like in the grow tent. Well, there you have it. That's what I wanted to share with you and y'all today. My first ever hydroponic grow tent update. I am super excited with how that grow tent is growing, and I'm really excited about getting all of that lettuce in the grow tent. So hopefully I'll have some lettuce throughout the whole winter. Pretty excited about that. So again, I hope everybody's having a good weekend, and I hope everybody's being safe amid this crisis that we still have going on. If you like this video, go and give it a thumbs up. They help. If you haven't subscribed to the Home to Sticks channel, Lord of mercy, y'all need to come on over here and give old Dan a look, because I'm always doing stuff. With that being said, you know it's coming. Dan Reference sure enough always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. And I mean nobody. You sure enough get your shine on, get your grow on. And Dan will see you and y'all in the next video.